Hello friends, today we will learn how to hide an app on Android without an app. You can hide the app without the help of any app. So first, in private you can see here I have Flipkart. How we will hide this Flipkart, let's see once. So first, tap on the top of the screen. After tapping, you will see below written is settings. So click on settings. Once done, you will see below written is hidden apps. So click on hidden apps, then enter your PIN number and click. After that, look below. There is a plus icon, so click on it. Click on it. After that, where you see Flipkart written, click on it and then click on confirm below. Although you see that my Flipkart is there, my Flipkart is nowhere. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe.